Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we'll see how to edit your result from MATLAB Simulink, okay, by using scope. Okay, so this is like I will do this in MATLAB 2021 version. Okay, so this is like a kind of new version and it laptop updated some features of it. Okay, so it's now very easier to edit your result from scope. Means you earlier it was like for opening editing tool here from scope you need to write code. Means if you write code then it will be better. Earlier it was like that, but now it is very easy to do that, to edit figure in MATLAB in new update of MATLAB 2021b. So we'll do that one. And if you came here first time, I request you please subscribe this channel. Your subscription will motivate me to make more videos on MATLAB and RTLab. I used to make videos on RTLab also. So, and click on the bell icon also, so you'll get notified when I will upload any videos. Okay. So I take look here. I run just now I run one program and I open one scope here. If you need so many result in one scope, you can add all the signal to that scope. Here I'll do it only one scope. Okay, so look here, go to file and print to figure. Just it, so simple here. Okay, so before it was like to open this part you need to write some code so that you can easily freely edit everything of one figure. So here also it's easy, but just like the setup is like a little different. So what you need to do, first step, go to file go to file and print to figure. So I have already done this figure one here. It's okay. Now what you want to do, if you want to insert x label, okay, x label I want to insert, so let's insert time, time. Okay, so look, from here I have already inserted this time, but look, from here you can't make it like, you can't just change the type of this time. Means you can't make it bigger size or anything else. Okay, font size you can't change from here. So what you have to do, and so many other thing you can do, insert y label, you can insert title. Okay, title for font function it is there, you can change it in. And let's see, insert okay, xe slide, and so many things are here. Okay, tool, so many tools are also here. Whatever you need to do you can do it from here. I will show you everything what you have it was like you need to do before this updated version of MATLAB. You need to coding, so without that coding how you can do. Okay, so this thing you can enter from here. So let's go to view and plot edit toolbar, or yeah, let's check it, plot edit toolbar. We don't need this one, so let's go to property editor. Okay, look, so this part, this property editor, for opening this part, earlier it was, means you need to write separately your code. At first you need to it was like, at first you need to take your result in workspace or in file, then you need to write code. After that you will print it in MATLAB. Then this property editor you can open like that, but it's just one simple, two simple click. At first file, then print to figure, and then file and sorry, then view and property editor. Okay, so I think now you will be able to do everything so easily. So look here, time if I want to increase the size here, so okay, this one I have selected that, and okay, let's not, I'll do later. Let's do this x limit and y limit. If you want to change, look from here, x limit 0. So if I want to change it 1, just limiter out of order, so we can't undo that. Sorry, 0 to 0.2 it's there, so let's make it 0.3. we can do it. Okay, so just for x-axis this one, and y-axis also y level if you want to anything, current. Okay, cu dollar, enter current, it came here left side, look. So if you want to change here also, it's, let's make it 0, enter 0 to it came. Okay, limit we have changed, and if you want to make it little bigger size or small size, okay, line, what kind of line you want to make, you can make it different kind of line here from, look here changed. Okay, marker you can use. Okay, and if you want to change size of that 10, look here. So these things you can do it easily here. And what I was trying to do at first, this, just click on this time. Okay, just click on this time, and here means whatever, suppose you need to make it bigger, this heading. Okay, fault location, so click on this fault location and increase its size from here 16, look, increased. Okay, so now it's very easy. Or you can, here right side, more properties. Okay, you can do so many things here also, means here you can change everything. Okay, let's it open, let's try, let's click here if you want to change these things. Okay, look, border type, everything you can do from here. Let's wait for property editor, what are the things, it is taking time, or it's opened already. Okay, so here also look, you can give title from here. Okay, and front line, whatever you can to change here, so many things here. It's just advanced version, means advanced things are here you can do. I don't think these are the things you need. I think you need some part of it visible. Okay, look, I'll show you. If you are position, what are the things you can do, position, callback, so many things here, callback, execution control. If you want to if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment box, or you can contact me through my mail. It will be available in my in video details. Okay, here are so many things are also there you can do, means whatever things you are not able to do here, simply you can open this one, this more property, and you can do it from here. Okay, and anything else, color change, from here you can do color change. Okay, if you want to change this color, you can change here. Yeah, so I think it's now for everyone, I think it's clear now. So it's very easy, they make it updated, and this is like a very important thing after doing any simulation, means for presenting in paper or anywhere, you need to edit your result nicely. So uh, it is very easy now to do that one. Okay, so you I think without this more properties also, you are able to do edit everything whatever you need to do here. So I will repeat that step. Just first, what, first open that scope. Okay, then go to file, then go to print to figure. So after print to figure, this window will come, figure 1, and from here go to view and click on property editor. Okay, so it's very easy, they make it. Thank you MATLAB for this. Otherwise it was like you need to do some area coding. So that was also easy, but it's like time taking also, that one. And it is better if you can do it directly from the scope only, na. It was not like that before. So thank you guys. If this video help you, I will, please subscribe this channel, and I will update. I used to upload this kind of videos of MATLAB and RT Lab also. So you will get updated if you subscribe and click on the bell icon, and share this video if maybe some of your friends need help, or they have already downloaded the updated version of MATLAB, but they are still maybe doing like coding previously there, because this is like a new update one. Okay, so thank you guys, that's it for now.